Hey?
No.
I can see your phone.
Can you now?
Yes.
Hello, Caitlin.
What's your name?
I'm Mr. Tigger.
And what's your name, Crocodile?
I'm Mr. Croc.
What are you going to do today?
Well, if the tiger doesn't get out of my way, I'm going to chase him. Oh no, it's a crocodile! Oh, better run, yeah! Oh, crocodile! Oh, he got me! Oh no, Katie, help! Oh, can't we just be friends? Well, okay, we'll be friends. Shall we say yes? Thank you. Shall we have a big hug? Yeah. Is that nice, Katie?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Why don't you play games like hide and seek?
Hide and seek?
Yeah.
Ooh. What would you like to play rather than hide and seek? What have you done today?
Well, I haven't been playing hide and seek, but I have been playing with this thing.
Oh, you've been playing with a T-Sat?
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Drop it all. You can have it if you want.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely.
Just how you like that?
Miss Caitlin, this is Crocodile talking. Have you been good today?
Yes, for Santa.
Oh, very good. Did Santa come to see you?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then you're good. Crocodile, you have to be good for Santa.
Oh, I will be good. Hello, Kate. This is Mr. Tigger.
Mr. Tigger?
Will you come and give me a kiss?
Mr. Tigger.
Will you come and give Tigger a kiss?
I who can give you a crocodile.
No, Crocodile. Oh, I didn't like that. I'm a crocodile. I shouldn't do things like that.
What about a cuddle?
Oh, I'll have a cuddle then. Anyway, we've got to go now. Okay. I'm being attacked by a cat.